this very glam fall sparkly look. I feel like a cheetah girl. I'm very CHEETAHLICIOUS. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like up this video if you want to see some more videos like this and some more videos in general. I love you guys so much, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, now to start out, we're going to be doing our eyes first because I want to clean up over here really easily without like messing up the foundation or anything like that. So we're going to be doing eyebrows, and then I'm going to just fill in my lid with some concealer, just like how I always do, and then I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I brought you guys in a little bit closer to do the eyes. So like I said, I just did my brows, and then I concealed under on my lid. Don't mind my fingernail, they look a mess. These two always break, so yeah, broke, but I'm getting them done Friday, so it's gonna be okay. So I did my lid on both eyes, and I just did like a light wash of translucent powder. So you guys can just take any matte warm palette that you guys have. The one that I'm going to be using is the Morphe M305M palette, and this was my first Morphe palette. I love Morphe, and no, this isn't sponsored by them, but you should sponsor me, okay? Because I love all your products, I'm not lying. So I have this Morphe palette right here, and this palette is perfect. You can even use like the Naked palettes, those are perfect as well. They just need to have some matte warm shades like I said before. So this is the palette. I've used this many times on my channel before, and we're going to be doing a transition right now because we're going to be doing a warm eye, and we're going to be doing a cut crease with some warm brown glitter. Okay, so to start, we're going to be taking just a light wash of a light brown. So we're just going to be taking this color right here, right in the middle, kind of like this like light tan cocoa beige shade, don't really know what to call it. And I have my Morphe M505 brush I'm going to be using. It's a very fluffy brush. I'm going to be taking that. Let me bring you guys in a little so you can see me a little better. So I'm just going to be taking that brush, and I'm going to lightly just be washing that right on my crease, kind of just right next to my brow bone. Okay, so now that that's just washed right next to on our crease, yeah, we're going to be doing it darker and darker. So next we're going to be taking a little bit of a smaller brush. It's more long in angles. It's kind of how like we can kind of like get into the crease part. This is the Morphe M441 brush. So it's this like domed kind of brush. And we're going to be taking a little bit of a darker brown. So we're going to be taking this one right here. So we're going to be taking this shade, and we're just going to be also kind of tapping off the excess because we don't want much. And we're going to put it right in the crease and blend it right in with our inner corner. Great, so now we're just going to be taking the same exact brush, and we're going to go darker and darker like I said. So next we're going to be taking this one. So we're going to be taking this shade. This is the shade we used before, so it's just like kind of diagonal down from it, kind of like Connect 4. That's what like these palettes remind me of. So we're going to be taking just a little bit, and we're going to pop that right where we put those other shades, and we're kind of just going to blend it with all of them so it's nice and blend together. Okay, so now that that's all done and our lids are very bare, we're gonna be doing the cut crease now. I've been loving cut creases lately because I feel like they just like accentuate the eye, and especially with like the glitter, it just makes it pop a little bit. So I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer to do my lid, my cut crease. So I'm just gonna be doing that, and yeah, I can't really talk while I do it, so you guys are just gonna have to watch me. And yeah, okay. So to do this, I'm gonna be using the Morphe M421 brush. So it's just like this little flat shader brush. And I'm gonna be putting the concealer on the back of my hand. And we're not gonna be doing a full cut crease, we're just gonna be doing a half, or like 3/4. Okay, so after that one eye is done, we're gonna set that before this eye, we do this eye. So to do that, it's gonna be like a brown cut crease anyway. So we're just gonna be taking a light wash of that warm shade that we used in the crease. And I'm gonna put that right where we put the cut crease. It's gonna look funny right now, but once we put the glitter, it's gonna look better. Okay, so now that we've done the half cut crease, and like I said, it looks really weird right now, but we're going to be taking a little baby brush. So I just have the Morphe M506 brush, so it's just this little baby dome brush. And I'm going to be taking a dark brown shade, so it's going to be the darker one that we used. It's going to be darker than that. So I'm just gonna be taking a mix of this dark one that we used already and this one right on the side of it. It's a little bit ashy, but we're gonna be putting that right on the outer part, and we're gonna be blending that because we want to make like an ombre effect. Okay, so now that we've finished that, we're gonna do the glitter now on the lid. So I'm gonna be taking, of course, it'd be better if you took a makeup glitter, but I don't have the color I really want right now, and I have all these craft glitters, so I was like, you know what? I do not recommend doing this at home, but because this look is very dear to my heart and I love it, I'm going to be using craft glitter. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be mixing a gold glitter with a orange glitter. So these ones I actually got at the dollar store, which also isn't very safe, but we're going to be trying it anyway. So I'm just gonna be using like a little palette. I'm literally honestly just gonna be using the back of this Morphe palette. So I'm gonna be using that same Morphe M421 brush. So it's this little dome brush that we use for the cut crease. I'm gonna be wiping that off on a tissue. I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to be applying that where we put the cut crease. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to be applying that just like the cut crease. And then where we put that on the back of that brush, we're going to take the glitter right on the brush, and we're gonna apply that just like that. And then we're gonna be doing the same exact thing with the other eye. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes in that sense, we're gonna take a little baby brush again. So I'm gonna be taking the Morphe M508 brush, which is like a little baby brush. And I'm actually gonna be taking the Naked Basics palette, and I'm gonna take the black in that palette called CREASE, just a little bit, and I'm gonna put it right in the outer corner and try to blend that in with the glitter as hard as it's gonna be. All right, so next we're gonna be doing a wing. Alright, so now that we finished with the wings, we're gonna do the rest of the face, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so when I'm done with my whole face, we're gonna be working on the underneath. So for that, we're gonna be using the same Morphe palette, and we're just gonna be using the same exact colors that we were using before. And for this, we're gonna be using the Morphe M321 brush. So it's just this little flat, not flat, this little like dome brush. And so we're gonna be using that light shade right here. And we're gonna be putting it right underneath the eye. And then we're gonna be taking that darker warm shade. And then because there is a little bit of orange, we're just gonna pop this little bit of orange just slightly more towards the front. And then we're gonna be taking the mascara for our lower lashes. And then just with a little baby brush and that highlight that we used, which was the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, because everything's warm, right? So then we're gonna take it on our inner corner. Pop it right on there. Stunning highlight, like has to be one of my faves. Then for the last bit of it, we're just gonna be taking a brown nude liner. And then for the lip gloss, we're just gonna be using a nude. So I'm just gonna be using the ABH lip gloss, and this is in Toffee. It's such a pretty shade. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's very glam, very cheetah-ish, I feel like the cheetah girls right now, like I'm loving it. And it's very warm, very great for the fall if you're going for that glam kind of look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please thumbs up this video if you want to see more videos from me. Then yeah guys, I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. I know I say it a lot, but I really do. This is really like my safe haven. I love making videos. I love teaching you guys. I love reviewing products for you guys. And yeah, so I really appreciate every single one of you that subscribes and views my videos. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.